Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to do an update video for a transfer case, drain and fill. This is very simple. You don't need any special tools. You don't need any ramps or to jack your truck up at all. You can easily get under there and do it. I've just have something to lie on, and I've got a drain pan underneath, and in my hand I have some thread sealant and a 10mm hex. The 10mm will do both the fill and the drain plugs, and the thread sealant is put on the plugs when I reinstall them. And Nissan calls for a Matic D transmission fluid, or an equivalent AMSOIL Signature Series synthetic ATF is an equivalent. I believe it's a better quality, but you can judge yourself. And you also need 2 and a little bit quarts. So I've got 3 here. You can use these new EASYPACKs, which you don't need a pump for. You just squeeze them right in. That works really well. So 3 of those, or 3 bottles. If you use a bottle, you will need a pump. If you look through my videos, I have this procedure using the pump. Today I'm going to use the EASYPACK. So underneath the driver's door, I'm basically between the 2 cats of the truck, is the transfer case up there. That is the fill plug, and right there above the skid plate here is the drain. Okay, so with my 10mm hex, I've broken both the fill and the drain plug loose. Let's take the fill out. And I got a bit coming out. Either I'm not quite level, or I filled it up when I wasn't quite level, or it's actually probably quite warmer than it was when I filled it last time. It's almost 30 degrees out here. That would cause it to expand. It looks pretty good. Looks a lot better than the last time I did this. I am doing this a little early, just to show you the fill procedure with the EASYPACKs for my YouTube channel. And the drain I've got loose. I'll go ahead and pull that out as well. Okay, so I said earlier that I was going to put thread sealant on these plugs. These ones do have washers on them, so you probably don't need thread sealant on them, whereas the diff plugs don't have a washer, and they should have thread sealant on them. So I'm going to pull this plug out. This is not something nice to do when it's windy. It's not bad today. And you can take that cover off if you want it a bit cleaner. So the drain plug here, this one is magnetic, and you can see it does have that washer. So you can clean that off. I got just a tiny bit of stuff on there. I'm going to clean it off and get that ready to put back in. And then for filling this back up, it's super easy. Take your EASYPACK ATF, stick it in the hole and squeeze the contents. And you're gonna go, it's gonna take 2 and a little bit. You're gonna go until you can't get any more in there. It will start flowing back out the hole. So every once in a while you can stop and check, or keep going until you can't get anything more in there. But these you can get the whole bag out pretty easily. And I'm going to do that until the level is at the bottom of this hole here. Okay, so as you can see, it's starting to run back out, so I know it's full. And I'm going to get my plug ready and put it back in. I got down with the 10mm hex. And I will put a link down in the description below where you can purchase your AMSOIL EASYPACKs. If you sign up as a preferred customer, you can get a great deal on all AMSOIL products. And if you want to help support my channel, if this video was useful for you, please subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.